Alright, y'all, so it's like late at night. Hold on. Hold on. This is my cat's toy. It's the weirdest thing ever, but she loves it. Let me see if I can show y'all. It's kind of dark, but she loves this damn thing. Hit it, Puma. You see? And it just be flopping around. And what I love about it is it's rechargeable. But it's starting to die a lot faster. So I don't know whether that's because of the battery or what. So I'm gonna try and get her. I'm gonna try and charge it all day tomorrow and see what's up. But yeah, I don't know if I ever showed y'all her bed, but this is her bed. It's so freaking cute. Has like a little unicorn tail or whatever. This is like her whole little section. She has her scratch post, her unicorn bed, her cat, well, her mouse thing. She knocked down the curtain. This is a tree from last Christmas, child, that she knocked behind the couch and we just found. We forgot all about the little Charlie Brown Christmas tree. And then she has another bed right there. She's trying to fight my charger that's swinging in her face, but I ain't having it. I want to show y'all this cleanse that I got. Because yeah, it looks, I haven't opened it, but the box is super heavy, so I had to get my brother to carry it upstairs because, girl, I got bad back problems. So it came from Arden's Garden, and yeah, it comes in this big box. It says refrigerate upon arrival, but the thing about it was they delivered it super late, and it was 100 and something degrees today. So, and this package does not seem cool at all. So I'm gonna show y'all. And on top of that, it was open when I got it. So I don't understand what that was all about. So this is the Arden Garden. So I got two cleanses. I got the cleanse that you can start if you never cleansed before. And I also have the detox your liver cleanse. This looks like it started separating a little bit, but whatever. So I'm gonna do the first cleanse first. See, look, it started to separate. I don't know if you can see, but it started to separate because I guess, well, it's juice, duh, but oh yeah, well, it started to blend back in. But it's like really, this is not even cold anymore. This is like sweat and it's cool, but it's not cold. But this is a lot of juice. So the liver cleanse is 3 days. And the regular cleanse is just the beginning cleanse is just 1 day. I'm gonna try to show you guys in a minute, but I want to take these all out, wash them off, and just have my brother put them up for me because my back be killing me, y'all. Y'all don't hear me talk about my back a lot, but my back be killing me. So I can't really like do too much. This is the lemon juice. This is like, they said pure lemon juice. And you just put this in the water or whatever, and it just makes like lemony water. Crazy. So yeah, these are interesting. All right, you guys, so my brother took them out and washed them for me, so I just wanted to show y'all all of the juices. These 3 they sent for me. Wow. Okay. These 3 they sent to me for free, I guess. I don't know whether it was by accident, on purpose, whatever. I don't really care. I appreciate it. So it's the fruit juice, the pineapple, apple, ginger one. So I got 3 of these for free. So that's cool. But we're going to start with the first cleanse. I forgot the actual name of this cleanse. And before you guys get freaked out, this is kombucha. I make my own kombucha at home. Yes, it looks gross, but... well, this is actually Jun, which is basically like the champagne of kombucha. It's not really alcoholic, though. But yeah, it's fermented tea. So this is the first cleanse. that they advise people to do, like if you never did a cleanse before. So it comes with what, 2, 4, 6. It comes with 6 juices. You're supposed to drink this for the day. Pretty much don't eat anything or anything like that, right? So boom, it comes with the sunrise. They have a yoga one, which is like a vegetable juice, a super greens juice. The one that they sent me for, the one that they sent to me for free, but this one, this cleanse includes it. It's the pineapple apple ginger, the complete recovery, and then the turmeric loves carrot. So TLC basically. So that's one whole day. And yeah, that's that for that one cleanse. This, all 6 of these are for one cleanse. Now this is the Love Your Liver cleanse. I believe that's what it's called. It comes with 6 juices for each day for 3 days. So 6, 12, 18 juices, plus this one is 19 that it includes. So this one is just pure lemon juice. So you're basically supposed to add this to your water throughout the day to cleanse, to help cleanse your liver. So basically it's just like lemon water. You only add like 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons, something like that. Yeah. So basically the cleanse, of course, is the same thing each day. It starts with the Beat It Better. Then you go on to drink the Lean and Green, the TLC, the Multi-Green, Super Celery, and then you end your day again with the Beat It Better. And then so that'll be day 1. Then day 2, it starts all over again. Starts with Beat It Better, ends with Beat It Better. And you're pretty much supposed to follow it in the order. I'm just going to assume you could probably mix them up throughout the day. Just long as you drink one of the recommended drinks that day. So I'm pretty sure you could just do whatever you want. But I kind of wanted to drink one of these today just to see what it tastes like. But I don't know. I ain't going to do it. Do it for the vine. I ain't going to do it. Do it for the vine. I ain't going to do it. Alright, you guys. So I'm just drinking a little nightcap. Well, the cap before the night. How about that? This is a turmeric latte. It's by the Ginger People. I saved the packaging. The Ginger People. It's called Turmeric Latte. It has guava, turmeric, and elephant ginger. I love this. I actually got this milk by accident when I did Instacart. I normally drink almond milk, but they were out of the almond milk that I normally drink. So the guy ended up picking up this almond milk and coconut milk blend, which is a little different than what I normally drink. But long story short, in this little latte mix, it's actually really good. I don't like it in my coffee or anything else, but in this, it's really, really good. So if they have like a smaller box of that milk, I might get it just for this. But this latte mix is so good. It literally helps you use the bathroom. Yes, the number 2, it helps you. It really helps your digestive system. Let me just say that. And I like it. It's spicy. I add a little bit, like maybe like a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I also add some extra cardamom in here. It's so, so good. I feel like if you like chai lattes, you might like this. If you like ginger, you might like this as well. So, yeah. Ooh. Alright, so before I went to sleep, I did want to show y'all the milk that I use. This is the one that I was talking about. It's by Almond Breeze, and you see right there it says coconut, almond milk, and coconut milk blend. I've never heard of that. It's unsweetened and it's original, whatever. But I've never seen like an almond milk and a coconut blend together. But I used to love coconut milk a lot. I like it when it's like freshly made now. I don't like it in a carton because it tastes extremely different. Just like coconut water, like fresh coconut water tastes way different than the stuff that you get in a box. So I don't really like coconut milk, you know, prepackaged. But yes, this blend with the almond milk tastes so freaking good. So, but I just don't want a whole carton like that. I want like a little pint because I'm not gonna drink that much. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what it looked like. Y'all, my cat never can stand to watch me move out this chair, because she literally comes and leaps in the chair and sits all over my cushion, and she doesn't want to move ever. Like, girl, I was sitting here first. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, no you didn't, bro. Crazy.